Alright, we're here at the Salem Flea Market in Salem, New Hampshire. What'd you find? Ooh, binoculars. Cool. Look at a baseball glove. Oh, you already have a lot. Oh my god, it's John Cena. Yeah. Patriot sign. Hold on. Oh, you found something? Oh, that's a huge clock. That's a nice picture. Hold on a second.
How much is this?
Wow, that's a cute table. Look at it in the poker chips. Gosh. Oh wow, someone's bar went out of business. Look at that candle, 4 wick. Christmas. Oh boy. Excuse me, son. Alright. Look at this. How old's that? Look at this, Trevor. They used to walk through the hallways with a candle for light. It's a cool tool. Yes. Hold on a minute. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh, maps. Oh, you already looked through there, huh? Nothing. So this looks like probably from a house of someone who liked maps and boating. Aww.
Well, I know the other ones we do.
Oh, Trevor, I'm looking, sir.
Mama.
Look at that. That's pretty. Hold on, let me see this. Oh, sewing machine. Hi. What's in here? Hold on.
Nothing good.
Rugs. Oh my god, a Costco. Hold on, honey. We're looking. You never know. You might find it. Look here. Stuffed animals, no.
2 or 3.
What's this one? Let's see what we have here. Maybe you might find a model. You don't know. Wallets. Chrysler building. Look at these. Those are nice. Any Chrysler buildings here? That is a nice table. So these vendors are closed up. So they already put their tarps on. Not much. We're on a mission to find the Chrysler building.
No, whoever's here is closed.
Yeah. Some hats, shoes, oh, toys. cents. Wow. Hold on, I just want to look for a second. What's this? Look at these. Some old ornaments.
Mama.
Who are you? Dunkin' Donuts.
Mama. Mama.
Look at this.
Mama.
Old-fashioned punch set. Shoes.
Dude.
Does he work? Does he turn on? Oh, let me see. Fishing rods. Christmas. Magic little Christmas tree.
Mama.
Yes. Let's see. Yes. That's cool. Nice. Valentine fun silver. All plated. Should be a pursuit. Another John Cena.
Mama, follow me.
That's mine.
A lot of outdoor tools. Oh,
Come on, follow me.
look at that.
Hey, how about that, Maria? Take that for a picture. Look at that. That's dope.
This? I like it with the cover. That's a mirror.
Yeah, buy this is $1. Look.
Oh, as long as it's regular DVD, not
Yeah,
Blu-ray,
look,
because we
DVD.
don't have Blu-ray. All right. What's HD?
High def.
Wow.
And
Look
the
at
ring-
these. Yeah.
Lex Luthor. That's Lex Luthor right here, baby. He's the best Lex Luthor. You know, and that's how much for the basket? For the whole thing. That's it.
So today was a good day. I mean, a lot of people closing up. We got here late. Got here at like 2:30 and they close at 4:30. It's probably like, I don't know, 3 something right now. $1 to get in. It's in Salem, New Hampshire.
15. Mama, can we get this?
15. It's already built. So.
15.
We done?
We never buy anything.